In this video, I'll show you how to hide or delete screen time data on your iPhone. Let's start by opening the Settings app, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Here, you'll see all of your screen time data, apps you've used, websites you've visited, pickups, and overall usage time. Now, a quick heads up before we continue. There is no way to selectively hide or delete individual apps or websites from screen time, for example. You can't remove just one app from this list, but you can clear or hide all screen time data. To do that, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Turn Off App and Website Activity. If you're using a screen time passcode, you'll need to enter it here. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Once you do this, you'll notice that all screen time data disappears from the top. Nothing is being tracked anymore. If you want to start tracking again, just tap App and Website Activity and choose Turn On App and Website Activity. In many cases, turning it off and then back on clears all previous data. If you turn it back on and still see old screen time data, here's the extra step that usually fixes it. Turn App and Website Activity off again, then restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up button and the side button until you see slide to power off. Turn your phone off, wait a few minutes, then turn it back on. Once your iPhone is back on, go back into Settings, Screen Time, and turn App and Website Activity back on. At that point, the screen time data should be completely reset. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who wants more privacy on their iPhone.